Welcome to Tlaxcala, one of Mexico's smallest states, yet one that holds a treasure trove of beauty within its borders. Nestled amidst the Central Highlands, embraced by the states of Puebla, Hidalgo, and Mexico, Tlaxcala is a land of dramatic contrasts. Towering volcanoes pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests, while lush valleys unfurl below, nourished by crystal-clear rivers. Our exploration begins at the feet of a slumbering giant, La Malinche. This ancient volcano, standing tall at over 14,600 feet, is a symbol of both natural beauty and geological history. This majestic volcano, though dormant for millennia, still commands the skyline. Its presence is a constant reminder of the powerful forces that shape this land. Its slopes, once ablaze with molten lava, are now cloaked in a verdant tapestry of life. The rich soil born from ancient eruptions now supports a diverse array of flora and fauna. As we ascend, the air grows cooler, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. The trail winds through dense forests where the canopy above filters the sunlight into a soft green glow. Dense forests give way to alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers. These meadows are a burst of color, a stark contrast to the dark greens of the forest below. Graceful white-tailed deer flit through the undergrowth, while golden eagles soar above. These creatures are just a few of the many that call La Malinche home. La Malinche is not just a mountain, it is a vibrant ecosystem, a testament to nature's ability to reclaim even the most desolate of landscapes. Over time, life has returned, creating a sanctuary for countless species. At its heart lies La Malinche National Park, a protected sanctuary. This park is a haven for both wildlife and visitors, offering a glimpse into the natural world that thrives here. Join me as we venture deeper into this natural wonderland, exploring hidden trails and discovering its secrets. From the base to the summit, La Malinche offers an adventure like no other, a journey through time and nature. Tlaxcala's natural wonders extend far beyond its majestic volcano. Journey with me into the heart of Tlaxcala's forests, where sunlight filters through the canopy. Amongst the towering pines and ancient oaks, a silent symphony of life unfolds. Listen closely and you might hear the rustle of leaves as peccaries forage for fallen nuts, or catch a flash of iridescent blue as a turquoise motmot darts through the branches. In high-altitude lakes and streams, the axolotl, a creature of myth, makes its home, and in remote canyons, the Mexican gray wolf, once on the brink of extinction, is making a comeback. Tlaxcala is a testament to the boundless creativity of nature, where life persists, adapts, and thrives. Our journey through Tlaxcala takes us to Cacaxtla, Xochitecatl, where history and nature intertwine. This ancient site, nestled in the heart of Mexico, offers a glimpse into a world long past, yet still very much alive in the echoes of its ruins. Imagine standing atop the Grand Pyramid of Cacaxtla, the sun warm on your face. From this vantage point, you can see the vast expanse of the land below, a testament to the ingenuity and vision of the people who once thrived here. To the south, the majestic peaks of the Sierra Madre rise up, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests. These mountains have stood as silent witnesses to the rise and fall of civilizations, their beauty unchanged by the passage of time. Below, the land stretches out, a patchwork of fields and villages. Each field tells a story of hard work and dedication, while the villages are a testament to the enduring spirit of the people who call this place home. Cacaxtla, Xochitecatl was once a thriving center of the Olmeca-Xicalanga civilization. This site was a hub of activity where people gathered to trade, celebrate, and worship. Their legacy lives on in the ruins adorned with intricate murals. These murals, with their vibrant colors and detailed depictions, offer a window into the lives and beliefs of the Olmeca-Xicalanga people. As you wander through these ancient ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The stones underfoot whisper stories of a time when this place was alive with the sounds of daily life. Trees have taken root in the cracks of ancient walls, vines snake their way up crumbling facades. Nature has begun to reclaim what was once hers, creating a beautiful, if bittersweet, tapestry of life and decay. Cacaxtla Xochitecatl is a place where time seems to stand still, a reminder of our temporary custodianship of this planet. It is a place that invites reflection, urging us to consider the legacies we leave behind and the stories that will be told long after we are gone. From ancient ruins, we journey to a place of quiet contemplation, an oasis of peace. This is ex-Hacienda San Francisco Chiautempan, a former working hacienda transformed into a sanctuary of tranquility. The cobblestone courtyard, shaded by ancient trees, whispers of a bygone era. The hacienda's gardens are a true delight to the senses. Fragrant flowers bloom in a riot of colors, their sweet perfume carried on the gentle breeze. Fountains gurgle softly, their waters reflecting the azure sky above. Wander along the garden paths, shaded by bougainvillea draped in vibrant hues. Listen to the birdsong, a melodious chorus that fills the air. Ex-Hacienda, San Francisco, Xiaotempan, is a testament to the enduring beauty of nature, a place to escape and reconnect with simpler pleasures. Our exploration now leads us to the Zahuapan River, a vital artery that courses through Tlaxcala's heartland. Imagine drifting along the Zahuapan's gentle current, the sun warm on your face. Tall reeds sway in the breeze, their emerald stalks reflected in the water's surface. On the riverbanks, vibrant wildflowers paint the landscape in a kaleidoscope of colors. This symphony of colors attracts a myriad of buzzing insects. Dragonflies hover over the water's surface, their shimmering bodies catching the sunlight. The Zahuapan River is also a haven for a diverse array of birdlife. The Zahuapan River, a lifeline of nature, reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things. Tucked away amidst rolling hills and lush vegetation lies the Xochitecatl Lagoon. This hidden gem, a sanctuary of serenity, beckons travelers seeking respite. Imagine approaching this tranquil oasis, the path winding through fragrant pine forests. As you emerge from the trees, the Xochitecatl Lagoon reveals itself, a breathtaking emerald jewel. The lagoon's surface lies calm and serene, a mirror reflecting the surrounding beauty. Lush vegetation fringes its banks, creating a verdant emerald frame. Here, time seems to slow down, inviting you to unwind and reconnect with nature. Take a seat on the soft grass by the water's edge. Close your eyes and listen. The Xochitecatl Lagoon offers a glimpse into the soul of Tlaxcala's natural beauty, serene, enchanting, and unforgettable. And Tlaxcala is a land of remarkable contrasts, a place where towering volcanoes meet tranquil lagoons. This small yet diverse region in Mexico offers a unique blend of natural beauty and thrilling adventures. From the rugged peaks of its mountains to the serene waters of its lakes, Tlaxcala is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. For the adventurous souls, the slopes of La Malinche beckon, offering challenging hikes. This dormant volcano, standing at over 14,600 feet, provides a rigorous yet rewarding experience for those who dare to climb it. The trails are steep and demanding, but the panoramic views from the summit are worth every step. Feel the thrill of conquering its heights, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs. As you ascend, the landscape transforms, revealing lush forests, rocky outcrops, and eventually the barren, windswept summit. The sense of accomplishment and the breathtaking vistas make the journey unforgettable. Those seeking a more leisurely pace can explore the network of hiking and biking trails. These trails wind through verdant forests, open meadows, and along sparkling streams, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're on foot or on two wheels, the natural beauty of Tlaxcala will captivate you. Feel the crunch of leaves beneath your feet, the sun dappling through the canopy above. The trails are well marked and suitable for all skill levels, making them perfect for families, casual hikers, and seasoned adventurers alike. Each step brings you closer to nature, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the tranquil surroundings. For those who yearn for a true escape, Tlaxcala offers a wealth of opportunities for camping. Imagine setting up your tent in a secluded spot, surrounded by the sounds of nature. The region's campgrounds range from basic to well-equipped, catering to both novice campers and experienced outdoor enthusiasts. Imagine spending a night under the stars, a campfire crackling nearby. The clear, unpolluted skies of Tlaxcala provide a perfect backdrop for stargazing. As the firelight dances and the night deepens, you'll find yourself mesmerized by the celestial display above. As you lie back and gaze up at the vast expanse of the night sky, you'll feel a sense of connection to something far greater. The Milky Way stretches out above you, and shooting stars occasionally streak across the sky, adding to the magic of the moment. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring experience that reminds us of our place in the universe. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Tlaxcala has something to offer everyone. Its diverse landscapes and rich natural beauty make it a destination worth exploring. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to discover the wonders of Tlaxcala. Our journey through Tlaxcala has come to an end, but the memories of its natural wonders will linger. Tlaxcala, though small in size, has proven that true beauty lies in the intricate details, the hidden gems waiting to be discovered. If this journey has inspired you, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring travel adventures.